Hey guys! So tonight, I'm Jillian, by the way, for those of you who don't know me. I almost didn't introduce myself. Tonight I'm going to do a hair tutorial for you guys just in time for recital season. Our recitals ended already. They were yesterday and the day before, so we're all done. But I know a lot of you guys still are in the throes of recital season. So a very popular hairstyle. Hey Allie, we're talking about hair for recitals. Hey Rob. So for recitals, most people wear their hair in buns. So I'm going to do 2 quick, easy buns that will make your life a lot easier, make your daughter's hair look amazing for recital. And so I'm going to get started. I'm going to do one on my mannequin friend over here, and then because her hair is like regular length, probably like shoulder length, maybe a little longer, and then I'm going to do one on really long hair, who I'm going to use my daughter as my model for that. Hey Lisa, hey, if you guys are on live, type live in the comments, and if you watch this in replay, type replay in the comments. So we're going to start the first one. The first one we're going to do is, the first bun we're going to do is we're going to do it with these bun maker things that you can buy in the store. You can buy them at like CVS. There's hair all over this one. This is just a Conair bun maker, it's called. So I know these are pretty popular, especially with the little girls. Allie, you know that. Allie teaches all the little kids at our studio, and they were amazing, and they all look like princesses with their little buns, and a lot of them use these. So this is what I'm going to show you the first one on. So you're going to start with a ponytail, pretty high, kind of go up to the top, and you're going to put this thing through the hair, put the bun maker through the hair, and then what you're going to do is you're going to take the hair and you're going to spread it all around. I'll show you what I'm doing in a minute. You're just going to kind of fan it out. There's a couple ways to do this, but I'm going to show you one of the easier ways. So you're going to spread it all around so you can kind of see. It's just spread. Then what you're going to start doing is you're going to start tucking it. Am I in the way here? Now clearly if this was a real head, you'd get a bun maker to match the hair color. So you're going to start tucking it under. You're going to wrap it around. You're just going to tuck it and keep tucking. And you just keep going around. And you're just kind of pushing it under the bun maker just a little bit. Now again, like I said, you'd really want to get one that's the color of the hair, because that way you won't see it. And then the hair that's left over, you're just going to kind of pull it around the bottom. Then you could stick a few bobby pins in, like on any little pieces that might be kind of sticking out, like we have one over here. And just kind of keep rolling it around. And that's basically it. Some of the bun makers sticking out, but like this piece right here, you can take a bobby pin and stick it. So these things come with some bobby pins, and they come with an elastic. So if you want, you could stick a couple bobby pins, like in this piece right here that's sticking up. These bun makers, you could stick the bobby pins right through them. So you'd stick one there, stick one maybe on the other side, just to anchor it to your daughter's or whomever's head. Again, get bobby pins that match the hair. These don't. Hey Alyssa, Alyssa says live. She says, I've seen those in the store and was never sure how you'd use them. Well, this is one of the ways. So now you can see you've got the perfect little round, little Cinderella bun. So that's one way. Actually, you know what? There's another way that I could show you really quick on this one, now that I'm thinking about it. The other way you could do this, another easy way, is you could take the hair out, do the same thing, fan it around like you had it. This is better too if somebody's hair is really short. You could do this too. The first way I did, and then you tucked it and wrapped it around. That's the first way. The second way, fan it all the way around. Again, this is if your child has really short hair and you feel like they might not have enough to actually go around the whole thing. You can kind of put your hands around it like that. You can see it's already taking on the formation. You could take an elastic. This one's probably not big enough for this. I wasn't anticipating doing this one, but so you could see it already makes the shape. Now you could take the excess hair. Again, this is good if your child's hair is a lot shorter, so there's not a whole lot of excess hair. And you could just wrap that hair around and kind of get it under, oops, go a little tighter with that, get it under the bun. You're just going to kind of spin it around like you're wrapping it around. and then you would pin it there. And that gives you one that sits up a little higher. I'm not even gonna pin it because I'm gonna take it down in a sec. But you could see, you still have the same type of bun, but that one you kind of wrap around the bottom. And then if you wanna make it tighter to the head, you could stick a few pins in it down here too, to just kind of secure this one down. You'd push it down, because remember, this thing's a cushion in here. Push it down, kind of get these in, pin it down. Again, use bobby pins that match the hair. Allie says, I do it the second way. I can't tell how many times. 5-minute buns I had to do this weekend. I know, Allie, right? So this one's really quick and easy. This way is super, super easy. Stick a couple pins in and call it a day. So that's really easy too. This one popped out. So those two ways are the easy way to use this bun maker. A lot of people are like, how do I use this? What is it? So both ways I showed you today, start with a ponytail like this, push it through, flatten the hair all the way around. The first way I showed you, if you didn't watch this in the beginning, was roll it and tuck it as you're going around, kind of roll it under the bun maker and kind of secure it that way. The second way was lay it all around, put an elastic over the whole thing like this, and then all the excess hair, wrap it around. So that's the first way we did it. Hey Reagan, Reagan says cool. So the second bun I'm gonna show you is on my daughter's hair. Bianca, come on over, girl. Bianca has extra, extra long hair. Have a seat. So we stuck Bianca's hair in a ponytail to start with. Turn around for me, sweetie, all the way around. So as you guys see, Bianca's hair is super, super long. Even in a ponytail, her hair is midway down her back. So when you do those bun makers on hers, they get a little funky because there's so much hair. So what I find with her, the easiest way, Allie says, hi Bianca. Hello. Reagan says, love her. Oh, she's the best hair model. And I made her keep her hair straight. She's like, I gotta wash my hair. I'm like, just keep it straight for one more day. So she showered with a shower cap so she can keep it straight for me. Just so I could show you guys this. So for super duper long hair for a bun, this is the easier way. So turn a little bit so I can, okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna braid her hair really quick. You don't even have to do a real braid. You could take two pieces and twist it if you want. I just do a braid on hers. So I'm gonna do that really quick. Just divide it into 3 pieces. Bianca had one quick change at her recital that she had to go from a ponytail to a bun and a change of tights. So it got a little hectic. So this is how we did hers in the bathroom by the stage because we were kind of rushing. So we did a quick braid. I probably did it even quicker than this. It does not have to be perfect. It's just a way to contain the hair so when you wrap it, it stays nice. Hey, Krista. Krista, you're going to have to check this out, not live, check this out in replay to see we did the bun maker. You know, I don't even know where it is now. It's in the other girl's hair. We did the bun with this thing first. I showed 2 ways of doing that. Now I'm showing a bun on really, really, really long hair. I should have left that mannequin one in to look at after. Maybe I'll do hers again real quick. Okay, so this bun is for super, super, super duper long hair like Bianca has. Okay, so you're just gonna braid it first. So it's all braided and then you're just gonna wrap it. Now because it's braided, it's all gonna stay contained. The end now, lean your head down for a minute. The end, we're just gonna tuck it around the bottom. Actually, we're gonna do it like this. Okay. I'm gonna stick it under the bottom. Can you guys even see me? Look up for me, sweetie. I'm gonna stick just a couple pins in. Sorry about that. Stick another one over here. Turn around for a second. Oh, this one little piece is sticking out on the top. We'll move this over here. Sorry, did I just jab you in the head? Sorry about that. Okay, this one little piece I don't like at the top. So the other cool thing that you could do with these too is put a hairnet over these. That always works really good too. Okay, turn all the way around for a second. So actually, you know what? This one keeps coming out. These are the worst bobby pins ever, by the way. If you can, go to like a hair store, like a Sally's Beauty Supply or like any of those supply houses and get a box of really nice bobby pins. It makes your life a lot easier. So this is just a quick little bun we did, a little braided bun. This one takes 2 seconds. You can look down for a sec. It's just a pretty little bun and it's good for long hair. So hop over for a sec. I want to do the other one more time. I meant to leave the other one in and I didn't. So I'm going to do this one last time. This was the first bun we did. I want to leave it in just for people to see. Put this through. Wrap the hair over. We'll leave this one in so you can see the 2 buns at the end. The first way I did of the, well, we'll do it the easier way. Can I do it this way? Okay. This was the easier version of this bun. You wrap the hair, lay the hair flat all over the whole bun like this. And then take an elastic, I have just one of these clear ones, and I'm gonna wrap it over the bun. Oops, just snapped on my finger. So once it's over, you can see it already took on the shape of the bun. Then you're gonna take all this hair and you're gonna wrap it under and stick it under the bun. And again, I'm not gonna, well, I could bobby pin it, I guess. And we'll stick some bobby pins over this. And again, the bobby pins go right into the spongy thing, the little bun maker. Why aren't these, I don't get why these bobby pins don't stay in. This is the weirdest thing ever. I got these at like the drugstore, which I never ever do, but it was like a kind of last minute thing. Anyway, there you go. So that one's really easy. Krista said, yes, I need that. So Krista, it makes a perfect little bun. It took me 2 seconds. Again, you'd get bobby pins to match your child's hair. These do not. So come on over here, Bianca, for a sec. Wait, you got a bobby pin sticking out too. Turn your head. Oh, maybe not. Oh, yeah, on the back. So on super duper duper long hair, what is going on? I don't know why this little piece is sticking up like this. We're gonna kind of push this down. Okay. On super duper duper long hair, you're gonna go with something more like Bianca's. Tip your head down. Hers is just a little braided bun. Quick, quick, quick. We braided her hair and we twisted it up. Her hair is all the way down to her waist, so it's a little more difficult to do these on her hair. If you have a really long hair child, you're gonna go with one of these. This is the bun maker. Gives you a little donut bun. Perfect for ballerinas. So that's it, guys. If anyone has any questions, Sherry says, can you make a bun for me? I would love to. Hey, Megan. Hey, Sherry. Hey, guys. Hey, if you guys are on live, type live in the comments. Hey, Sue. Sue, we just did some buns. This one was a quick one. I did a little better the first time around, but this is with the bun maker. This is all for recital. And Bianca, as everybody knows, has super, super long hair. Her hair's a little more difficult with that bun maker because it's ginormous on her head when we do it. So we like to keep it a little tighter because she usually has some type of hair piece or head thing. Allie says, nice shirt. Do you like my shirt? Bianca wants to steal my shirt. I told her she could have it because every time I seem to dry my clothes, they're all shrinking. Or I'm just getting bigger. I don't know. But yeah, it says, what does it say? You say my dreams are too small. What is it? No. What does it say? I can't even read them.
You say, I dream too small. I say, you think too small.
No, that's not what it says.
Yes, it says. It says, I say, you think too small. It
No.
says, you say I dream too big. I say you think
Yes.
too small.
There we
That's
go.
what
There we go.
said.
Okay. So anyway, guys, this is it. So donut bun with a bun maker, braided bun on a really, really long hair. And that's it.
We also have a
And then we have one furry
fur
lady.
bun. No, we have a fur bun.
That's too bright on her face. Back up.
Okay. Well,
Okay.
we have a fur bun too.
Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. If anyone has any questions, type them in the comments. I'll get back to you. But happy recital season. Bianca was in 5 recitals over the last weekend. It was so fun. Lots of hair changes and things. And oh my God, it was a lot of fun. But this bun took 2 seconds to do. Like I said, in a quick change in a bathroom. So I highly recommend the braided one. You don't have to braid. If you don't know how to braid, you could take the 2 pieces and you could just wrap them together, then roll it. Because if you take the long ponytail and just try to wrap it in a bun, you're going to get pieces sticking out everywhere. So it gets a little unruly. So if you contain the hair first, then wrap it up, then you're even better. And if you use a little hairspray or a little taffy on the hair, it'll hold it better. But if you don't have time like we didn't, you do it quick, quick, quick. At the end, you could do a little tiny spritz, spray it up, take the bottle, kind of roll it this way to get all the flyaways away after you spray it, and call it a day. So that's it. Hope you guys liked it and hope you try it on your tiny dancers. I did it on mine. And again, happy recital season, everybody, and happy bun making. Type in any questions, comments, whatever, and share this with your friends, because everybody I know lately has little ones about to do their recitals, and I know a lot of people have issues with buns. So here you go. Okay, have a great night, everybody.
Hold on.
What?
So actually, this is
Back up your shoes.
this is a special clip from tonight. So excuse me.
What?
Me and Pearl planned this.
What?
So excuse me. Okay. So me and Pearl, as you know, are hairdressers too. I mean, obviously. So basically, we've been working on buns too. So we're just gonna show you a little bit of a bun tutorial.
Oh,
So
that's
first,
enough.
We're just going.
She's gonna scratch the hair.
First we're
Guys, I'm
going
sorry.
to-
This is getting too long. All right, they're being crazy. We gotta go. She's gotta go to bed soon. Have a good night, everybody. Peace out, everyone.